Glam Squuad, what's up? This is Dalou. Today I'm gonna show you the update in my family dining room. In previous videos I had shown you the table and the rug for the area. Now we're gonna be finished putting some accessories, and I got a new barcode. I'm gonna show it to you guys as well. I hope you guys are sticking around to see the final look. I wanted to show you this thing that my husband got me from Amazon. It makes it much more easier when moving heavy furniture. As I mentioned, the glass that came with the table is super heavy. It will be very hard for us to lift up the table and get it on the rug. I'm keeping my old chairs. They are from Overstock. I really like them, not only because they are super cute and comfortable, and the color is perfect for this area. They cost less than $400 for all four. I love this rug, you guys. It is just so pretty. I love the gold accent that goes really well with the legs on the chairs, and of course the leg of the table is super pretty. But if you recall, on the video I had told you I had two rugs. I wanted to show this one to you as well, just in case if you guys are interested. Both of them are equally pretty, but you have to pay close attention though, because they're really similar in color. Once again, this is the other one, and that's the one that's gonna stay in the area. Please let me know if you think I made the right choice. To keep the rug down, I'm using the rug grippers from Amazon. If you buy new rugs, you gotta buy them as well. You will love it. The rugs are from Amazon. They are square rugs, 6.8 by 6.8. I'm gonna be keeping my old curtains, but I'm adding two sheer curtains in the middle. They are from Amazon. They are super pretty, really nice. I love the design on them. I'm gonna be using these Glam curtain tie backs from Amazon to tie up the curtains. I got 4 for $20. The gray curtain is from Amazon as well. I'm gonna be dressing up the chairs with some pillows. The simple gray one is from Home Goods. The gray pillowcase with the gold accent is from Amazon. Okay, you guys, this barcode, can I just say, my goodness, it took my breath away. It is much nicer than it shows on the video. The gold is so shiny, the black glass is so pretty, and the style is so modern and unique. I could not wait to show it to you guys. I did put it on my Instagram page. I hope you guys have seen it. If you do not follow me on Instagram, please go ahead and do so at Glam Style with Dalou. It is my fastest way for me to show things to you guys until I can feature the item in a video. So yeah, if you like what I'm showing, please head over on Instagram and check me out so you can find out as soon as I post something. All the glasses in this barcode are from Home Goods as well. A couple of you had asked about this tray. It is from HomeSense. The barcode is from Amazon. I have it on my Amazon store as well. I will leave both links. Candle is from Big Lots for $6. It smells so good. Candle holder, Home Goods. This cute vase was a DIY. I will leave the link in the description box. The Glam coasters are from Home Goods. If you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squuad family. This channel is all about glam home decor and DIY. I would love it if you become part of this family by hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. A big thank you to all of my returning Glam Squuad for your love and support. Acrylic container and shaker home goods. The white and gold books are from Z Gallery on clearance for $4 or $6. Bookend Tuesday morning. I'm gonna be adding this console table that used to be in my former dining room. My sideboard for the dining room will be in any day now. This table needs a new home. I removed the mirror since it was a little bit too big for the area. I DIY'd it with contact paper. But because it is in front of the window, I'm not gonna add much. I'm gonna keep it as simple as possible. Just these two boxes, that's it. The big one, Home Goods. The smaller one, Burlington. I chose them, not only they go with the work, but they also go with the dark color on the barcode as well. For my centerpiece, I'm gonna start with this Glam Lazy Susan. I think I bought it from Home Goods or Home Sense. I thought I would start calling out spring by adding these beautiful magenta flowers from Hobby Lobby. Currently, Hobby Lobby has a 50% off going on. Both vases are from Home Goods, the white flowers from Michaels. Candles on clearance from TJ Maxx for $2. I love how it has the gold and the white to complement both vases. It was not on the best shape when I got it, but I'm making it work. Sunburst mirror is from Burlington. And we are done. I can definitely use this centerpiece as a modern Valentine's Day decor. I forgot to mention the mirror is from Home Goods. I bought it many years ago. The basket is from Target. On the next video, we're gonna be doing some Valentine's Day decor. I hope to see you guys there. Meanwhile, show me some encouragement by giving this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. And let me know your favorite items. I would be very grateful if you share it with a friend or a family member. If you have not, please do so right now. Hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye. Mwah!